Hello, today we are going to be learning how to organize our Google Drive. The first thing I want you to do is go to drive.google.com, and in Drive, you will have files. Some of you guys might have folders as well. This is my son's Google Drive, so he has two files in there. What we're going to do is we're going to start by hitting the New button. And we're going to take everything he has and we're going to put it in a folder. So I've hit the New, and then I hit the very top one that said folder. Let me hit cancel real quick. It says folder, and it's got a folder with a plus in it. So I'm going to hit that, and it says untitled folder. I'm going to title it 2019 to 2020 because this is stuff he has from last year. So I'm going to highlight everything he has, and I'm going to drag it right into that folder. Okay, so now he has nothing but those two items, or nothing but that folder. I'm sorry, nothing but that folder. And now I'm going to have, I'm going to create new folders for him for this school year. So I'm going to click on New again. I'm going to click on Folder with that folder with the plus in it. And I'm going to type ELA. Okay, because everyone has an ELA class. So we're going to hit that, and then we hit Create. And then we're going to hit New again and hit Folder. And then we're going to type in Math because everyone has Math. And then we're going to hit New and Folder. And then I'm going to type in Science. Some of you may not have Science this semester, but you can go ahead and make this folder because you'll have Science next semester. And then we're going to hit New again, and we're going to hit Folder, and I'm going to make one for PE because if you don't have PE right now, you might have it next quarter or next semester. And then I'm going to hit New again and Folder, and I'm going to make one for Computers. And Create. And then you might want to make one for your elective, band, orchestra, choir, art, drama, whatever your elective is. Okay. And so when you do assignments, it's going to go in as a file, and then you're going to drag it to the correct subject. So if I go back into this document, I can show you. This one just does not want to come out. That's okay. So we can see his Martin Luther King paragraph is right here. It says Files, and there's his file. So we can put this in Science if it was Science. We could put it in ELA if this was an ELA assignment. But it is from 2019-2020, so we're going to put it right in there. And then his file has gone right in there. There's no more files. Now, something that's really nice if you like to color code things is you can right-click, and you right-click by taking two fingers and hitting in the center towards the bottom of the trackpad. And you can change the color. So I like to color code things just to make it a little bit easier so I'm not staring at the same thing and getting confused and saying, oh, which one was which? And so you can color code all of your, oops, I didn't want to rename that. But if you do make a mistake spelling, you can rename it. We're going to color code them, and that way it does make it a little bit easier to differentiate. And once you have organized your entire, oh, I don't want those Computers and Science that close together, so we'll make that one pink. There we go. Once you have color coded all your files, you have organized your drive, and you are ready to go. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your English teacher. Thank you. Have a great day.